here's how you do the first assignment that I generally assign each week for our class. It's replying to the Schoology discussion. I always pick a different kind of hot topic for you guys to reply to each Wednesday on Schoology. So I'm just going to walk you through the easiest way to find it. It's a little shortcut, and I think it might be easier for you. Now, this is from a computer. If you end up using it through a phone, let me know, and I can give you a tutorial on how to do that as well. All right, so let's say I'm on Schoology. I find our choir class. Now, my screen's going to look a little bit different than yours because I've got the teacher view, but the way that you get to it, it's the same even if it's yours or mine. So now I'm looking at our class, and I've got all these different folders right here. You don't have to use those right now. And then just above the folders, if you look right here, it says all materials. Now you can actually use this to filter out different things that we've put on our class page, and this will make it a little easier and a little less, I don't know, a little less overwhelming for you. So if you click all materials, you can choose how you want it filtered out. So I'm going to select discussions. And what we have is like all the different class discussions I've posted so far since we've been on Corona break. Now that's a lot. Now, as far as like assignments that you need to do, I only need you to participate in 2 of these class discussions to catch up. One of them is the one for this one right here, 5-6-20. And all you do is click on the name of the assignment, and then you read your instructions. There's some video links that you'll watch. So each one of these, if you click on them, tap on them, takes you to a different YouTube video. So you watch each video. And then where it says write a comment, you just answer these questions from up here. You can even copy and paste the question in and then answer it if that's easier for you. Or if you just want to number 1 through 4 and then type in your answers, that's all you do. And then you click post and you're done. So that was the class discussion from last week. And then if we go back, it's going to back arrow. And I want to find the post from this week. So I'm just going to scroll down until I can find it. Let's see. Oh, where did it go? And we're still scrolling. And we're scrolling. And we're scrolling. Here it is. For this week, it's the quarantine playlist discussion. So you click on that. And then I've got 2 different choices of how you can do the assignment. And then I have my example of how I would have done the assignment. And then you just go on down and you go to the little box here and you type in your response and click post. And that's how you do your discussion posts from the last 2 weeks. And that will catch you up on part of the stuff you need to do. So that is the easiest way for you to respond to the discussion posts for our class. So it's kind of nice when you go into our class page and you use that filter. You can filter out assignments. So that's how you can find our Flipgrid assignments that you might be missing. Or if you're looking for something in particular, like links or files or whatever, that filter is going to help make things a lot easier for you and less confusing. So I hope that helps you out. If you get stuck trying to navigate through that, let me know and I'll help you out.